Academic Unit 5 test. Number 1. The scatter plot shows the cost per pound of potatoes from 2000 to 2007. What is the best estimate for the cost of a pound of potatoes in 2016? A. 62 cents. B. 72 cents. C. 82 cents. D. 92 cents. Number 2. The list shows the number of songs that 5 students each downloaded last week. What is the mean absolute deviation of the numbers in the list? F. 34.4. G. 6.88. H. 38.4. J. 7.68. Number 3. In a museum, there is a sculpture in the shape of a cylinder. The cylinder has a diameter of 12 feet and a height of h feet. Which equation can be used to find V, the volume of the cylinder, in cubic feet? A. V equals pi 6 squared height. B. V equals pi 6h squared. C. V equals pi 12 squared h. D. V equals pi 12h squared. Number 4. A researcher has built a 35-meter straight track to gather data on the rate of travel of rabbits. The graph below represents her data for the total distance traveled at given times. Which description accurately represents the data she collected? F. The graph suggests a linear association between time and distance traveled. G. The graph suggests a nonlinear association between time and distance traveled. H. The graph suggests no association between time and distance traveled. J. None of the above. Number 5. Which scatterplot suggests a negative linear relationship between x and y? A. 1, 3, and 4 only. B. 1, 2, and 4 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 4 only. Number 6. A fishbowl shaped like a sphere is filled with water. The fishbowl has a diameter of 16 inches. Which measurement is closest to the volume of water in the fishbowl in cubic inches? F. 2,144.66 inches cubed. G. 17,157.28 inches cubed. H. 5,461.67 inches cubed. J. 6,433.98 inches cubed. Number 7. On each diagram, line K is parallel to line L, and line T intersects lines K and L. Based on the diagrams, which statement is true? A. The value of x is 79 because the two angles shown in each diagram are congruent. B. The value of x is 101 because the two angles shown in each diagram are supplementary. C. The value of x is greater than 90 because the two angles shown in each diagram are obtuse angles. D. The value of x is 11 because the two angles shown in each diagram are complementary. Number 8. The list shows the number of hours slept for students last night. What is the mean absolute deviation of the numbers in the list? F. 3.825. G. 34.2. H. 15.3. J. 8.55. Number 9. Snacks at a county fair are sold in containers shaped like a cone or a cylinder. The dimensions of each container are shown in the drawing. Which statement about the volume of the cone and cylinder is true? A. The volume of the cylinder is about 377 cubic inches greater than the cone. B. The volume of the cylinder is about 377 cubic inches less than the cone. C. The volume of the cylinder is about 25 cubic inches greater than the cone. D. The volume of the cylinder is about 25 cubic inches less than the cone. Number 10. Mrs. Collins made a scatter plot to show the relationship between the number of absences a student in her class has and the student's final exam score. Based on the scatter plot, approximately what score should a student with 6 absences expect to receive on the final exam? F. 65, G. 92, H. 67, J. 76. Number 11. A cone and its dimensions are shown in the diagram. Which measurement is closest to the volume of the cone in cubic inches? A. 186.38 inches cubed. B. 248.50 inches cubed. C. 745.51 inches cubed. D. 62.13 inches cubed. Number 12. Students in a science class investigated how the speed of sound changes with the air temperature outside. The data are shown in the scatter plot. Based on the scatter plot, what is the best prediction of the speed of sound when the air temperature is 50 degrees Celsius? F. 350 meters per second. G. 355 meters per second. H. 360 meters per second. J. 365 meters per second. Number 13. Which graph suggests a linear relationship between x and y? Number 14. Which equation could be used to find the value of x? F. 65 minus x plus 2x minus 10 equals 180. G. 65 minus x equals 180. H. 2x minus 10 equals 180. J. 65 minus x equals 2x minus 10.